Manoj Kumar, the patriotic icon of Indian cinema. Manoj Kumar, born Harikishan Giri Goswami on July 24, 1937, in Abbottabad, then part of British India, now in Pakistan, is a celebrated Indian actor, director, producer, and writer. Known for his patriotic themes, he has left an indelible mark on Indian cinema with his powerful performances and socially relevant films. This article delves into the life, career, contributions, and legacy of Manoj Kumar, the man who became synonymous with patriotism in Bollywood. Early life and background. 1. Family and early influences. Manoj Kumar's family moved to Delhi during the partition of India in 1947. His early life was marked by the struggles and challenges of displacement, which deeply influenced his later work. The family eventually settled in Delhi, where Manoj pursued his education. Though education, Manoj Kumar completed his schooling at Hindu College, University of Delhi. He was deeply influenced by the nationalist movements and freedom fighters of India, which later became a recurring theme in his films. Entry into cinema. 1. Initial struggles. Manoj Kumar entered the film industry with the dream of becoming an actor. He initially faced numerous rejections and hardships, a common story for many aspiring actors of his time. He adopted the screen name Manoj Kumar as a tribute to his favorite actor, Dilip Kumar, who played a character named Manoj in the film Shabnam. Though debut and early films, he made his acting debut in 1957 with the film Fashion. However, it was his role in Kanch Ki Gudiya, 1960, that brought him recognition. His early films were a mix of different genres, but it was his patriotic roles that ultimately defined his career. Rise to stardom. 1. Breakthrough with Shaheed. Manoj Kumar's first major breakthrough came with the film Shaheed, 1965, based on the life of the Indian revolutionary Bhagat Singh. The film's success established him as a patriotic hero and set the tone for his future projects. Though iconic role in Upkar, 1967, was a turning point in Manoj Kumar's career. Inspired by Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri's slogan, Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, the film celebrated the contributions of soldiers and farmers to the nation. Manoj Kumar not only starred in the film but also directed it, showcasing his multifaceted talent. Upkar was a massive success and earned him the Filmfare Award for Best Director. Teen. Continued success with patriotic films. Following the success of Upkar, Manoj Kumar continued to make films with strong patriotic themes. Movies like Purab Aur Paschim, 1970, Roti Kapda Aur Makan, 1974, and Kranti, 1981, solidified his reputation as the Bharat Kumar of Bollywood. These films addressed various social issues and invoked a sense of national pride among audiences. Signature style and themes. 1. Patriotism and social issues. Manoj Kumar's films often highlighted social issues such as poverty, corruption, and the plight of farmers, while also celebrating India's cultural heritage and values. His ability to weave these themes into compelling narratives resonated deeply with the Indian audience. Though character portrayals. Known for his serious and sincere portrayals, Manoj Kumar's characters often embodied integrity, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to the nation. His portrayal of Bharat, a character symbolizing India, became a recurring motif in his films. Directorial ventures. 1. Versatility as a director. As a director, Manoj Kumar demonstrated remarkable versatility. He tackled a wide range of subjects, from historical epics like Kranti to family dramas like Sannyasi. His direction was characterized by attention to detail, strong storytelling, and memorable music. Though acclaimed films, some of his most acclaimed directorial ventures include Shore, 1972, a poignant story about a father's struggle to cure his son's hearing impairment, and Roti Kapda Aur Makan, 1974, which addressed the basic needs of food, clothing, and shelter. Awards and recognition. 1. National awards. Manoj Kumar received numerous awards throughout his career. He was honored with the National Film Award for Best Feature Film in Hindi for Upkar. In 1992, he was awarded the prestigious Padma Shri by the Government of India for his contributions to Indian cinema. Though Filmfare Awards. Manoj Kumar won several Filmfare Awards, including Best Actor for Beimaan, 1972, Best Director for Upkar, 1968, and the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award in 1999. Philanthropy and social contributions. 1. Social initiatives. Beyond his work in cinema, Manoj Kumar was actively involved in various social initiatives. He supported numerous charitable causes, including education for underprivileged children and healthcare for the needy. Though inspiration to generations, Manoj Kumar's work inspired generations of filmmakers and actors. His commitment to addressing social issues through cinema set a benchmark for socially conscious filmmaking in India. Legacy and influence. 1. Cultural icon. Manoj Kumar's portrayal of patriotic themes made him a cultural icon in India. His films continue to be celebrated for their emotional depth, strong narratives, and powerful messages. Though influence on cinema. His influence on Indian cinema is profound. Many contemporary filmmakers draw inspiration from his work, and his films are studied for their impactful storytelling and social relevance. Manoj Kumar's legacy as an actor, director, and patriot is etched in the annals of Indian cinema. His unwavering commitment to using cinema as a medium to address social issues and inspire national pride has left an indelible mark on the industry and audiences alike. Manoj Kumar remains a symbol of integrity, patriotism, and artistic excellence, whose contributions continue to inspire and resonate with people across generations.